Do pimple patches work? Pimple patches have become a popular solution for treating acne, particularly for whiteheads and inflamed pimples. Below is a detailed breakdown of how pimple patches work, their effectiveness, and what to consider when using them. 1. What are pimple patches? Pimple patches are small adhesive stickers made primarily from hydrocolloid, a material that helps draw out moisture and impurities from wounds or blemishes. Some patches also contain active ingredients like salicylic acid, tea tree oil, or niacinamide for additional acne-fighting benefits. 2. How do pimple patches work? Pimple patches create a protective barrier over the blemish, preventing bacteria and dirt from entering and reducing the risk of picking or touching the pimple. The hydrocolloid material absorbs pus, oil, and other fluids from the pimple, helping to flatten it and reduce redness. 3. Are pimple patches effective? Yes, pimple patches are effective, particularly for surface-level acne like whiteheads. They help reduce inflammation, absorb excess fluids, and promote faster healing. However, their effectiveness is limited when it comes to deep cystic acne, as they cannot penetrate deeply into the skin. 4th types of pimple patches. Hydrocolloid patches, best for whiteheads and healing popped pimples. Medicated patches contain ingredients like salicylic acid for additional acne treatment. Microdart patches, designed for deeper pimples, these patches have tiny microneedles that deliver active ingredients below the skin's surface. 5. Benefits of using pimple patches. Protect the pimple from dirt and bacteria. Prevent picking and scarring. Reduce redness and inflammation quickly. Absorb pus and oil from whiteheads. Can be worn discreetly under makeup or overnight. 6. Limitations of pimple patches. Not effective for deep cystic acne. May not prevent new breakouts. Temporary solution rather than a long-term acne treatment. Results vary depending on skin type and severity of acne. 7. How to use pimple patches. Effectively, cleanse your skin thoroughly before applying the patch. Apply the patch directly to the pimple and leave it on for at least 6 to 8 hours. Remove the patch once it becomes opaque, indicating it has absorbed impurities. Follow up with your regular skincare routine after removal. 8. Are pimple patches safe? Pimple patches are generally safe for all skin types. However, if you have sensitive skin, ensure that the patches do not contain harsh ingredients that might cause irritation. Pimple patches are an effective and convenient solution for treating surface-level acne, especially whiteheads. While they may not cure acne entirely, they help speed up the healing process, reduce inflammation, and prevent scarring. For deeper acne, consult a dermatologist for more comprehensive treatment options.